Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to install McAfee. So first of all, open up your any kind of browser and search for McAfee antivirus get into PC. Okay, so just simply you can see that this is official website of get into PC, and if you click on that, and you will be able to download the cracked version of it. Okay, so simply click on download, and you guys need to remember that password you can see on the screen, which is 123. It will help you to extract that zip file. Okay, so here you can see you guys simply just need to start the downloading. Okay, so this might take a couple of minutes. So here you can see our download is completed. I've just skipped that part. Now just open that folder where you have downloaded, and you guys need to simply extract file. Okay, and remember that password 123, and wait until the process is done. Now here you can see this is the folder where your extracted file, and here you can see that setup exe. You guys need to click on that and select yes. Okay, you have to accept all of the terms and conditions. So you can see before continuing, manually remove any other conflicting security product. Okay, it's telling you to if any kind of incompatible products found or not. Now click on continue, and you guys need to select the modules. Okay, I have selected every single modules available, and you guys need to select the location where you want to install that software. So I'm going to select this drive and simply click on install. Now here you can see it's installing system requirements. So this will take a couple of minutes to complete the installation process. You will have to just wait until the installation process is done. Now here you can see that your McAfee endpoint security installed successfully. Okay, simply just close that, and let me just show you. This is the software. Okay, I'm able to open that. Now you are successfully installed McAfee endpoint security in your desktop. I hope you guys understand how you can do this. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5-minute solution.